This is basically to blend all of this in that we couldn't get with the clipper over comb. You gotta be careful because you'll cut too much of the hair and leave dips and holes. As you can kind of see right here, well, accent we gotta fix, but that's what these is for, good blending. Come over and you see right here is your guideline. All this extra is bulk. But in moving with shears over comb, you keep moving. You do not stay still. You gotta keep moving. You see how it's taking away that bulk, just blending it in. And what I like to do, and it's got this extra bulk weight right here, I don't like to blend and take out now. Now I kind of like to just go in and hit it like that. And just hit little pieces I see. When I see dips like that, that's when I bring it up and blend it. Keep moving.
Are you using brush shears as opposed to regular?
As regular scissors?
Yeah.
Just because these are easier for like blending. Like if I was to use my regular scissors, I would have to like really like snip and cut at an angle, whereas this kind of leaves like a more blendy flow, you know?
Yeah.
It's not so blunt, and I don't have to like do extra work to make it not blunt. Miss Hannah taught me this little method right here. I remember in school, I messed up a couple times because I wouldn't move. Like I would just literally, I'd be like this and I'll be trying to like blend it out and I'll move and it's like, oh man, a hole. Make sure you are conscious of this little cowlick and that hair direction. When it's heavy like that, just a spot, then just cut right into it. And that's why I like using these. They cut every other hair and not everything that's in between. See like little spots, that line like that? You can get that out with a smaller comb. I'll show you that in a minute. Finish one thing at a time so you don't get lost. Right, now you gotta blend that, cut that, snip that. Bam, that's nice and blendy. Any little spots, say for instance you see like a dark spot there, like that. That's when you would go get your smaller blending comb.